Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab to all the eminent community members. A very good evening to all and a hearty welcome. I, Deepak Srivastav, welcome you to the 19th learning session organized by the PSI, the Public Speaking Institute community, with a vision to bring eminent speakers from different fields who can add value to your life by sharing the knowledge and situations they have been through using the power of communication. I would like to everyone witness the energy we are filled with being in PSI community, and let us unmute ourselves and give a thunderous applause. Please let us unmute ourselves. Thank you. As I remember Sidhuji, he always said, Thokozali. This is what we were doing as well. I take this special privilege to welcome new members and guests on behalf of the PSI core community. And may I request all the guests to please add guest before your name if you are invited for the session. Allow me to tell you about the mission, vision, and objective of PSI. Vision of PSI is to have at least one public speaker in every home who can inspire the family. The mission of PSI is to create 1 million public speakers by the year 2030. And the objective of the community is to promote public speaking skills, presentation skills, effective communication, storytelling skills, overcoming fears, and many more. I would also like to take pleasure to inform you that in the wonderful community, we have professional speakers, public speakers, anchors, authors, coaches, trainers, influencers, other business owners, professionals, educators, etc., etc. So, before I move ahead, I would like to say one thing. जो सीखता गया वो जीतता गया जो सीखता गया वो जीतता गया जिसने भी रोके अपने कदम वो जहां था वहीं थम गया इसलिए वो रुका नहीं हर रोज नया लक्ष्य बनाता गया खुद तो वो निखरा ही साथ में औरों को भी निखारता गया With these words, I dedicate it to author Sherry sir, the visionary, founder and managing director of Public Speaking Institute community of around 2.5 lakh public speakers across the globe, and who is also pioneering to give India its very first public speaking university. He is a well-known international public speaking coach, mentor, and has created 15,000 public speakers and is on a mission to create 1 million public speaker by 2030. The same mission of his is also the mission of PSI community, which is to have 1 million public speakers by 2030. He is also the founder and president MS Talks India, a public speaking platform given to 20,000 plus speakers across the world, and is 7 times international TEDx speakers, 3 times Joe Talk speakers, and author of international bestsellers. So, may I request everyone to please unmute themselves and let us join hands together for author Sherry sir, the founder and managing director, Public Speaking Institute. I would also request everyone to please switch on their mics as well as the cameras so that we can know each other better. Welcome, Dr. Gurpreet ji. Anxiety. Topic of today. Anxiety is your body's natural response to stress. It's a feel of fear or apprehension about what's to come. The first day of school, going to a job interview, or giving a speech may cause most people to be feel fearful and nervous. So let us welcome and hear more on the anxiety management from the expert, Captain Purva Panchwai. She is a veteran with armed forces background, adjudged best psychologist in the year 2018, and imparted personality development sessions for students as well as workshops for parents and teachers too. She is felicitated with our Achievers Award in year 2017 and our Award of Excellence in 2016. You can find her on Facebook and YouTube as she is using these mediums to spread awareness on psychological issues. I know you are all very excited, and without taking any time, let us welcome Captain Purvaji with a big round of applause to know more from her about herself as well as the topic of the eve, anxiety management. Ma'am, the stage is all yours. Please give a big
Thank
round
you.
of
Thank you
applause to
so
her.
much. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Deepak. And
Thank you, ma'am.
namaskar, everybody. Good evening. Thank you for such kind words, Mr. Deepak. Yes, and Jai Hind. My
Jai
favorite
Hind.
is Jai Hind. Actually, yes. Yes, I wish all of you can switch on the cameras if it is possible for you. Like if you, because I am used to offline sessions, and in my age, going online and then watching these things, only names and all. When you are interacting, आप जब सामने बैठे हो, तब एक अलग मजा है interact करने का. Online का अलग है. So for past 1.5 years, yes, last April only I started my journey in online since this COVID thing started. And I joined Indian Army in the year of 1996. I have done my master's in science. But later on, after getting released from Army, I took premature retirement because lady officers did not get permanent commission that time, keeping in mind the family commitments. And my husband is serving Army officer. Right now, we are posted in Meerut. So by the year end, or maybe by next year beginning, we should be moved out. Tenure is for 2.5 to 3 years generally in one place. We have a son. He is 17-year-old. So-called the board exams got over and he's already cleared, so-called cleared. The Pappu pass ho gaya. So this is how things are moving now, right now. So, and basically he motivated or pushed me to start the YouTube channel to, at least I am not after him. So that my energy is engaged with the public, with the YouTube things and all. So otherwise I would have, eaten him up by now. So I need to keep myself busy and motivated. So this is it. And I am a psychological counselor by profession and a personal development coach. Regarding my personality development things, I basically focus on the psychology of people. If we say you have to learn to speak like Deepak ji is telling, yes, we all are into public speaking institutes and we are a part of this. We are coming on meeting and then speaking on different occasions. You all must have spoken, you all must be speaking. But speaking again is one thing that will not decide your personality. This is what I feel. We have the skills. These are skills. You are a good speaker. That is your skill. This doesn't prove. It's like mathematics formula. If I'm a good speaker, doesn't make me a good person. Doesn't make me a strong person mentally. Vice versa. If a person is mentally strong, may not be good in speaking because it's a skill. How do we develop skills? Skills are developed through practice. Driving is a skill. Culinary art is also culinary skills होते हैं. खाना बनाने expert होते हैं लोग, interested. So we should know what we are good at. If we are a part of public speaking institutes, I'm sure that is why you all must be good speakers. So here we are discussing today's my topic for today is anxiety during public speaking. Anxiety as such. अगर मैं एक छोटी सी अच्छा before I start my presentation, psychological point of view, say if I speak on anxiety, what is anxiety? It's a fear of unknown. Nobody has known what will happen to हम फौजीज हैं. हमें खुद नहीं पता कि आर्मी हेडक्वार्टर हमें कहाँ पटक दे. We are coming from north east to Meerut. मेरठ से हम साउथ में जाएंगे, वेस्ट में जाएंगे. So many cultures. Our son is 17. He just, as I told you, he cleared 12th. He has seen 9 schools. So based on that, कभी 2 साल इधर, 6 महीने इधर, 8 महीने उधर, 3 years in. There's a lot of variation in his education and background. खिचड़ी बच्चा. He's a खिचड़ी बच्चा. So he has taste of everything. It's a good exposure for him. He is flexible that way. He will learn. Definitely, everybody has a different taste. Now, my friends, if I ask you, what makes you anxious? Let's just take a small topic before I start the presentation. Presentation will take around 15-20 minutes. I will cover that subsequently. Just my favorite question, because I'm a psychological counselor, I can't stop myself being asking you a question. What is just, I wish you all had notepad. It's not a class going on, so I will not force you. Think in your, imagine what makes you anxious. Okay, now that is the first column. आप एक side कर दो उसको. First column, that is clear. Come to the second column. Who do you idolize? Who is your idol? Maybe your parents, father, mother, आपके कुछ बड़े, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, MS Dhoni, different kinds of idols I get from children, या teenager, या बड़े आपकी तरह age वाले, middle age मेरी तरह. Okay, who do you idolize? Now let's go to third column. If you see that idol of yours getting anxious, the way you are getting anxious when the anxiety sets in. Getting my point? How you see, first you imagine your idol getting anxious based on the anxiety you are having. That is one column. Next, situation next. How would you react? Would you pity that idol? Would you get angry on that idol? Bhai, aap to mere idol. How can you give up? हाउ कैन यू गिव इन? आप परेशान क्यों हो रहे हो? ऐसी फीलिंग आएगी, या दया आएगी, अरे मेरे बेचारे ये तो परेशान है, कैसी फीलिंग आएगी? बुरा लगेगा, अच्छा लगेगा, दया आएगी, प्यार आएगा, भी समझा दो, जो भी एक कोई फीलिंग कैसी आएगी, इमेजिन. ओके, नेक्स्ट में, व्हाट एडवाइस वुड यू लाइक टू गिव टू योर आइडल? आई होप यू ऑल आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. अभी क्या राय आप अपने आइडल को, क्या राय आप देना चाहोगे? ओके, anybody who would like to share with me? I will start with Super Suresh because you were the second person I saw in the screen today. I'll catch Suresh. Suresh, can I call you by name? You don't. You are much younger than me, I'm very sure. Good, very good. Yes, Suresh, please tell me, who is your idol? What makes you anxious? And the reaction you have to your idol when that idol goes through the same anxiety.
You already told APJ, and APJ is from our state, Tamil Nadu, and today, you know, many people across the globe know about him, because education was a tool which made him to reach great heights in his life. After, like, let us think he's a scientist and that those things later, but he was so cautious and he wanted that to grab the education. So likewise, in my life, I also come from a village background. I keenly took hold on my education, because I know that only the education which can able to make me to self grow. And I know that self growth is very important, because if I want to appreciate someone, first I need to know how the appreciation tastes to me when I start to do that, which way I consciously, and you so said right, anxious, I was so anxious about it. And even I placed the photo of APJ in my old home. Now I moved to a new home. So that makes us a connection, that whenever we learn something, we wanted to see the growth not only of us, the people who are with us, we need to also rise them up along with us. If not, what happen, people may get more jealous on us, or they may not connect with us properly.
Exactly.
Because it's
So
only
how
our growth will make them.
Yes, sorry to cut you, Suresh. So how is your reaction when you see Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam anxious?
Yes, you know, recent I got an opportunity to eat along with him lunch in the year 2011, because he was also a professor for Anna University in Tamil Nadu. So my father works in Anna University, where I personally met him, that if someone is coming to meet him, if the attender don't inform them, he is more angry on the person. You should not make someone to wait.
Exactly.
You tell to me, it's my decision whether to see them or not see them, but you should not make them. But he was a very polite person. He always smiles. He carries humor with him.
Yes. So Suresh, please answer this. How would you react when you see Dr. APJ getting anxious? Would you pity him? Would you feel bad? How can he feel like this? You know, why is
No. It's like, I thought that he is anxious because he values each and every one. Okay, so that's right.
Okay. What advice would you like to give him?
Nothing, because you know, by seeing his smile, everything whatever he does, we will just forgive him.
Washed away, exactly.
Yes, because he carries 99% smile with him. Exactly. 1% might be the anxious things he might do.
He had all the control over his emotions, actually. He had all the control.
Sure.
Yes. And in fact, going to Tamil Nadu, Suresh, we were in Wellington. You must be doing Wellington. Ooty, near Ooty, there's a place, Kunnur.
Yes, Kunnur,
we were. I was a psychological counselor in St. Joseph, Kunnur.
Okay, you know, there are many psychological centers are there in the hills region in Tamil Nadu. It's it's called Queen of Hills, where you are talking about, which place.
So we had very nice tenure in Wellington. There's a big college, staff college there. We will discuss at some other time. So thank you, Suresh. Thank you for your answer. Okay, can I ask Dr. Gurpreet, were you there during the questionnaire, Dr. Gurpreet?
Yes, I was there.
Can you just, if you don't mind, can you please answer my questions? What makes you anxious? Who is your idol? How is your reaction to the idol? When he or she gets anxious, what advice would you like to give?
Well, I do get anxious at times, not any, nothing in particular that at one point I'll get anxious or so. Depends on the situation, when things are not under our control. or we are running lack of time, and or we are not prepared for that matter, right? And my idol are my parents, and no, I haven't seen them anxious. They are very calm and composed, and they are, not after everything around. They are very choosy and very calm. I haven't seen them anxious anytime.
Yes, exactly. So thank you, Dr. Gurpreet, for your participation. The aim of the exercise is, like Dr. Gurpreet says, sometimes we run short of time, we get anxious, we get angry. Let me tell you, friends, the most of the times when we are angry on others, actually we are angry on ourselves. जब हम अपने से गुस्सा होते हैं ना, अपने से चिढ़ रहे होते हैं, अपने से गुस्सा नफरत होती है, भाई what is going on? Why can't I manage? And then if somebody shows love or showers love on us, we get really, we feel bad because of the guilt, because we are behaving bad with that person. We don't deserve that love. There's something called self-love. We will discuss some other time. I will ask all of you, how much do you yourself love yourself? How much do you love yourself out of a scale of 10? आप 10 के आंकड़े में कितना अपने आप को देना चाहते हो? That is self-love. Because if a person is 10 on 10, definitely वो अपने आप से contented है, खुश है, that person will spread happiness. That Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam की तरह. If the person is rating, sometimes when I see people rate themselves 5 on 10, 4 on 10, 6 on 10, there's something they are lacking, there's something about them they are not happy with. ये हमें पता करना है. We should take stock of our emotions like we do, like घर में राशन आटा चीनी लेडीज करती हैं, होम मेकर्स करते हैं, जेंट्स भी करते हैं. ऑफिस का काम का स्टॉक टेकिंग होता है. Everywhere we do stock taking. How many times are we doing the stock taking of our emotions? Why am I getting angry? हम पता किया कभी हमने? I'm sure नहीं पता किया. We don't get time. That is secondary priority. And every time I'm getting angry, it becomes a habit. Some of us are getting angry just out of habit. Maybe there's no reason. शायद तो छोटी सी बात रही हो, हमें ध्यान ही नहीं दिया, अरे ये तो इतनी छोटी सी, why was I getting angry? ये बार बार कोई आके बेल बजा रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं बिजी हूँ, कोई बार बार रोज तो नहीं होता, रोज तो नहीं कोई बेल बजाएगा, आज का ही दिन हो बाई चांस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बार बार फोन कॉल आ रहे हैं, रोज तो नहीं होगा, कभी कभार. तो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाई इज इट हैपनिंग, एंड देन response and reaction. There's a small story I would just like to tell. After that, I start the presentation. For example, there were 3-4 ladies sitting in a restaurant and they were having their meal and all. One cockroach came and flew on the shoulder of one of the ladies. Cockroach आया as usual. Not even ladies, gents will also shout. Ladies started screaming. खूब हल्ला किया, मैं भी करती. I will not get scared of the lion, but I'll get scared of the cockroach. Cockroach को देख के तो जरूर डर लगता है. तो they also screamed. Waiter came. Waiter को परेशान बेचारा परेशान हो कि भाई why are they shouting? तो he said, मैडम क्या हुआ? They started bullshitting him. उसको फायर करने लगे कि why are you for dirty ये वो करके. He didn't do anything. Then the meantime the cockroach came and sat on the shoulder of one of the waiter. He just picked up that cockroach, opened the door of this restaurant and threw it out. So what was the difference between the action of the women, the ladies, and the waiter? Ladies reacted and waiter responded. लेडीज ने हल्ला मचाया, कॉकरोच क्यों आया, कॉकरोच कैसे आया, हाउ डेयर द कॉकरोच केम, सो डर्टी फूड, पता नहीं क्या क्या कहानी दुनिया भर की एक सेकंड में दिमाग में आ गई, जो भी था एनालिसिस हो गई फटाफट. लेकिन वेटर ने समस्या का समाधान किया, निकाला समस्या को और बाहर फेंका. दिस इज व्हाट आवर लाइफ इज अबाउट. वी शुड गो डाउन टू द रूट कॉज ऑफ द एंजाइटी. वी शुड नो व्हाट इज मेकिंग अस एंग्शियस. इज इट द रिटायरमेंट प्लान? इज इट द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस? Is it a children's education? Is it my career? Is it my relationship? Is it my children? या क्या कुछ भी. तो क्यों ना हम एक बार बैठे. Whenever you are sitting idle at home, I'm sure out of कभी time management की बात आएगी तो 24 hours में 7 to 8 hours we are sleeping. How many hours productive work are we doing? Still we will be left with 3 to 4 hours. Mark my words. आपके पास 3 से 4 घंटे तो ऐसे चुटकियों में मैं बता दूंगी कि निकल जाएंगे. उसमें 15 मिनट, आधा घंटा just to stop taking of your emotions कि भाई एक बार. And what is that? That is a meditation. That stop taking of emotions is meditating. Asking yourself, introspecting what went wrong. Meditation में कोई मंत्र वगैरह बोलने की जरूरत है. It becomes very boring and all. ऐसा कुछ मैं नहीं recommend करती. I would just say meditation. You are taking bath, you are in the kitchen. आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, traveling or commuting. That is meditation you can do. You can talk to yourself. You can find out from yourself, why am I behaving like this? So there are so many theories in therapies, theories in psychology. First, let me just share the screen. Yes, screen sharing. Yes, I'll just a minute. I hope all of you can see this. Yes, yes, fine. So friends, this is, yes, thank you. This is anxiety management in public speaking is my topic for today. And yes, is this the condition sometimes people are laughing, how they are laughing? आराम से वो लोग हंस रहे हैं, इसके पसीने छूट रहे हैं. If this man is having a tough time on the podium in front of the mic, definitely it's because it's not everybody's cup of tea, but maybe, as I told in the beginning, if a person is not a good speaker, doesn't prove that he is a bad person. He must be much better than us who are speakers, but he must not be able to connect. What is communication? I always say communication is connection. We say we use big words, public speaking. What is public speaking? It is public explaining. We have to go down to the level of the public, know the audience. भाई आप किसके सामने बोलने जा रहे हो? Are you going to speak like you are a dignitary? अब डॉक्टर गुरप्रीत कौर इज वेरी डिग्निफाइड, उनके नाम से ही लग रहा है कि पढ़े लिखे हैं. एग्जैक्टली, डेफिनेटली हर नेम स्पीक सच. ऑल ऑफ यू आर डिग्निटरीज. But when I'm sure, when he's interacting with the small children, she will have to go down to their level. अगर वो अपने लेवल में एक्सपेक्ट करे कि मैं मेरा लेवल ये है और मैं यहीं से बोलूंगी, people will not be able to connect to her, for that matter to anybody. So we have to know the audience, go down to their level. उनकी भाषा में. हमारे क्या होता है इन आर्मी, वी हैव वेलफेयर, जो हमारे जवान फैमिलीज हैं, वंस इन अ मंथ वी मीट. लेडीज का अलग होता है, ऑफिसर्स वाइफ्स का अलग रहता है, जवानों की फैमिली का वेलफेयर अलग रहता है. तो ट्वाइस अ वीक, ट्वाइस अ मंथ तो हमारे 2 इवेंट तो होते ही है. कोविड में सब बंद है अभी. तो what happens, these families are coming from different backgrounds. What I do, I connect to them, going to their level, their village की टोन में, उनके लेवल में जाके तब मजा आता है उन लोगों से बात करने में. Then they open up. वो खुल के बात करती है लेडीज, जो अलग अलग गांव से भी आ रही है, शादी करके, जवानों की वाइफ है, यहाँ पे रह रही है, मेरठ में है, कहीं पे. Then they feel भाई she can understand. So this is what number one thumb rule. We should know the audience and connect to them. This is, and उनकी तरफ से सोचिए, तब ये पसीना वगैरह ये वाला कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay, what hamper us from speaking with confidence? First of all, our thought, the speaking in public is a threat to us. भाई आज तो public speaking about will happen, क्या हो जाएगा? Who knows us? None of you know my background. मैं कितना अच्छा या बुरा बोलती हूँ. कभी कभार couple of you must have Mr. Deepak या किसी ने कभी देखा होगा मेरे videos. Mr. शेरू ने देखे हैं. That's all. I don't know about others. So why should I feel conscious? I should give my best. ये होना चाहिए दिमाग में. भाई मैं first time मिल रही हूँ. My impression should be good. So what I should motivate my mind to be in a positive side. If I doubt myself, if I have a self doubt, भाई पूर्वा तेरा तो आज वो है, क्या करेगी तू, कर पाए फिर. I am putting myself in the doubt, in the negative side. So I should not do that. Threat to us को हम treat ना करें if it is in our mind. Number 2, physiology. That this person, he is palpitations, he is having all the perspiring, पसीने छूट रहे हैं, बुरी हालत है, हाथ पैर फूल रहे हैं. People tell, ma'am, I start sweating, and a lot of things happen when I have my PD classes. जो भी, it shows it is the physiological changes we feel. Thought processes, as I told in the just short while ago. Why should I doubt myself? I should have this, but this I know. I'm a counselor. I know मेरी age भी काफी हो गई. I can counsel myself. But youngsters जिनको habit नहीं है, those who are in a habit of anxiety, getting anxious, या जिनका exposure नहीं है, they will always try to motivate such kind of thought, invest in such kind of thought processes. भाई होगा कि नहीं? Please ये दिमाग में ना लाएं कोई भी. If you know some relations आपके साथ में कोई भी है, इसको दिमाग में लाना ही नहीं है. Suppose, okay, one thing I would like to, Nana More, I can just see her name. Nana, are you there? Yeah, Nana, yes. Where is she going?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, sorry. Nana, if you don't mind, can you just tell me, what is your weakness? We all have weaknesses, okay? Tell me one weakness of yours.
It is very difficult to spot one weakness of mine because I think I'm a person full of many weaknesses. But primarily, I have a very big problem of procrastinating. I keep pushing things I keep delaying things.
Okay.
So that is one of my weak points.
Okay, fine. I agree with you. Okay, fine. Nana, what is the opposite to procrastinating? How will you describe? The initiative of doing things or something like this?
No, for me, probably the opposite of procrastination would be responding immediately.
Okay, so
figuring out the important aspects first.
Priorities, setting your priorities clear.
Setting your priorities right.
So can you just do one thing in your life, and it applies to everybody. We cannot. I mean, I cannot. What should I ask everybody's weaknesses right now? We are on a different forum right now. So like Nana explained, she procrastinates, but for her the opposite will be prioritizing things. So can I just request Nana? Henceforth, Nana, can you start telling yourself, Nana, you will be prioritizing things.
Right.
In your own time, start prioritizing things. Start telling yourself this. Do not use the word procrastinating. Can you just do this henceforth?
Definitely.
Because how many times in a day or in a week do you use or discuss procrastination with others? I'm like this, I'm procrastinate, I procrastinate. How frequently you use this word?
I think previously I would a lot of time, but now since I'm a part of a public speaking institute, I am into it. So I know that I should not repeat my negative points or anything that makes me feel negative a lot of time. So I do not use it a lot of time. But yeah, somewhere inside my brain or my heart, it is still there. It's there.
It's subconscious mind. Yes, it's in the subconscious mind.
has it.
It's engraved. So what happens, the more we speak about some word, these are throwaway words. These words, as I tell everybody, leave them to the professionals, leave them to the counselors. I'm depressed and all. वो आप मत सोचो, वो हमारा काम है. मैं यही बोलती हूँ. वो हमारा काम ही यही है. यही हमारी पढ़ाई है. So you are a normal, you are from different background, you have different profession. You should be focusing on that. And secondly, the more we speak these throwaway words, especially any word, throwaway bhi nahi, positive bhi, they are echoing back to our ears.
Right.
The more we are speaking, the more we are hearing. So instead of saying Nana More is procrastinating, she is a procrastinator, she can say Nana More has started taking initiative. She is into prioritizing things. We can say this. This hence proved this equals to this.
Right.
So we should see the positive. This goes for, thank you, Nana. So
Thank
what
you
I
so much.
wanted to, yes, thank you so much. What I wanted to tell everybody, whatever weaknesses we all have. For example, angry. We are getting angry because of lack of time. We are not able to schedule whatever. I'm short tempered, for example, say. So if Purva Panchbhai is short tempered, I should start telling I am able to control my emotions. I am able to manage my emotions. I should not use the word anger. Anger मैंने यूज नहीं करना, मैंने उसको तोड़ के उसका ऑपोजिट लाके आई एम मोर कूल माइंडेड. ये भी सही है. ये ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है साउंड करने में. आई एम साउंडिंग देन आई एम टेलिंग माई सेल्फ आई एम मोर कूल माइंड. लाइक वी टेल चिल्ड्रन, डोंट प्ले हियर. व्हाई आर प्लेइंग इनसाइड द रूम? तुम लोग ये तोड़ते, छोटे छोटे टॉडलर्स हैं, प्री प्राइमरी वाले जो भी घर के अंदर खेलते हैं. व्हाई कांट वी से गो एंड प्ले आउटसाइड? बात तो वही थी. डोंट प्ले इनसाइड हम बोलते हैं ना. व्हाई कांट वी से गो एंड प्ले आउटसाइड? comes down to be same. This is what we should focus on, what kind of words we are using. If we are saying anxiety है, मुझे anxiety नहीं, मैं अभी इस चीज को अच्छे से हैंडल कर रही हूँ, मैं पूरी कोशिश कर रही हूँ. बिकॉज अगर आप बोल दो कि मैं हैंडल करती हूँ, तो वो तो डन हो गई चीज. उसमें आपको घमंड आ जाएगा, आपकी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग खुद से हो जाएगी. भाई सीखा तो कुछ नहीं, हैंडल करना भी सीख लिया इतनी जल्दी. डाउट रहेगा और भी हम लोग डर जाएंगे कि भाई ये क्या बन गई मैं, क्योंकि हमने किया ही नहीं एफर्ट्स. So we should start telling कि भाई I am handling things in a better way. Day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better. ये कई बार ऐसे I tell people to follow this mantra. अपने आप को रोज बोलो. Day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better. This is the self-motivation mantra we should all speak. Okay. So the thought process is, as I told you, habit of getting anxious. As इसके पहले बात हुई कि it comes into this, हर चीज में anxiety आ जाती है. ये नहीं हुआ, क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्यों कपड़े पड़े हैं, फोल्ड क्यों नहीं हुए, ये टाइम पे चाय नहीं बनी, भाई क्यों नहीं बनी. कारण रहा होगा. There must be some reason, there must be some logic. The कपड़ा फोल्ड करने वाला person must have got busy, tired हो गया होगा, भूल गया होगा. Grant the people that much. Sometimes we are perfectionist. Perfectionism मेरे साथ भी था till the time I got married, but बाद में शादी के बाद तो सारा perfectionism का कीड़ा खत्म हो जाता है, because टाइम ही नहीं मिलता. खुद को देखो कि फैमिली को देखो. अब तो घर ऐसे लगता है कि जगह मिल जाए बैठने की. घर में एक सब चीजें फैली रहती है. टाइम मिले तो संभाल लो, अदरवाइज घुसते रहो, जगह बना के चलते रहो. दिस इज हाउ. सो डू व्हाट कीप्स यू हैप्पी and try to adjust in surroundings as they are with you. All right, lack of experience, yes. The more we do public speaking and other things, we are better and better. We are expert in that. Past experiences, sometimes you screwed up the whole thing, नहीं बोल पाए, पसीना छूट गया या चिट रह गई, बोलने की हैबिट है, एक तो I always would suggest कि whatever your children or others are doing, please encourage them not to hold a chit or something in their hands. Otherwise, कभी भी वो confidence नहीं आएगा. They will always be handicapped. They'll be dependent on something. Okay, some points to keep in mind. Is it public speaking? No, it is public explaining. As I tell you, explain things. For example, I give you a topic. ये mobile है. I'll ask you, can you please tell me 10 sentences on this mobile? Our education system has been such, we cannot think out of the box. हम लोग मोबाइल में 7-8 या 5-6 सेंटेंस के बाद फिर चुप हो जाएंगे. अभी क्या बनाओ, कहाँ से. Please encourage your children at home to speak and pick up any object. I tell in my classes, 5 objects every day, 10 sentences each. अगर थोड़ा सा अच्छे हो आप तो 3 minutes तक बोलो. 3 minutes तक, for example, ये अगर ईयरफोन्स हैं, इसके ऊपर 3 minutes तक बोल के तो दिखाइए. नहीं बोल पाएंगे, कंटेंट नहीं मिलेगा, दिमाग ही नहीं तोड़ेगा. तो वी हैव टू मेक अ ब्रेन रन एंड रजिस्टर एंड स्पीक. इट्स अ प्रोसेस. ये बायोलॉजी अगर हमने पढ़ी है, कैप्चर विद अ कैमरा आईज हैं, फिर अंदर प्रोसेस न्यूरॉन से प्रोसेस किया, थॉट्स प्रोसेस हुए, रजिस्टर हुआ, तब बोलो कि भाई गरम था हाथ हटाओ. इट्स लाइक दैट रिफ्लेक्स. Okay, important for your career graph, of course. Those who are into corporates and all, हमें फौज में इतनी ज़्यादा frequently जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Presentations देते हैं हम लोग. I also give presentations, but not so frequently. I'm very sure corporate life is much different from Fauji lives, but still it is important for your career. So make it an important thing in your life. Content should be good. Content, you should be ready with the content. If the content is big and you are not able to memorize things, आपको कुछ mnemonics या कुछ कहानी बन के आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा याद कैसे. We cannot eat one chapati at one time, at a go. एक बड़ा रोटी या केरला पराठा जो तमिलनाडु में काफी मिलता है, सुरेश. We used to love that Kerala paratha, and our son is a fan of Kerala paratha. तो वो हम लोग एक बार में नहीं खाएंगे ना, उसको 7-8 पीस या 5-6 पीस में एक चपाती खाएंगे, 1 पराठा खाएंगे. Same way, one content is big for 3 minutes. आपका आप या कोई भी known to you नहीं बोल सकते. Please advise him to break the content. आज आप 10 sentences बोलो, बेटा memorize 10 sentences today. उसके 11th में जाओ मत, 10 सेंटेंस याद करो, सो जाओ. Tomorrow morning revise those 10 और 10 जोड़ लो, 20 हो गए ना. By evening 20, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus the 30 हो गए. This way he will be able to overcome that fear. One chapter हम एक दिन में नहीं करते. Small portions of chapters करके पढ़ाई होती है. This you have to teach him 5 objects, and as I told, pick up 5 objects every day. Teach your people who are not good in speaking 10 sentences each. They should frame. Their brain will start thinking out of the box. Yes, practice thinking out of the box, as I told you. Mirrors. What you were told in the academy, when I went for my training in the academy, officers training academy Chennai, maybe we are commissioned. Lady officers are commissioned from OTA Chennai. So there we were told, when I gave my first presentation and speech, I was looking like a dead body. I was looking so horrible. There was no expression on my face. How would I imagine to connect to the people? Forget connecting. Then I looked, then my DS, which are directing staff or the instructors, that officer told me, Purva, he told everybody, stand in front of the mirror and practice. So when I stood in front of the mirror, I laughed and I felt bad about myself. Manika, what am I looking like? Manika, I'm looking so horrible. I should look more presentable. Then this is what I advise everybody. Mirror ke samne dekhiye, how are you looking? Timer, set the timer. उस हिसाब से आपकी speech होनी चाहिए. Distractions, yes. Sometimes your mic will not work. Sometimes somebody is using the lawn mower चल रहा है. Children are yawning, people are yawning, speaking, fidgeting with their watches. अपना कोई बाल कुजा रहा है, कोई घड़ी देख रहा है, मोबाइल देख रहा है. तो these distractions are, accept these distractions when you are speaking. Let them be. You should carry on with your speech. That should be. Otherwise, if you are too much focused and rigid about speaking, you will definitely get distracted. In psychology, we have imagery method. That is, imagine that you are delivering a lecture. Imagine you are practicing and you are delivering successfully. वो आपका imagery method है. Eye-to-eye contact, yes, very obvious. Okay, the next one. Sorry, as I told you, imagery method is very, very important tool in psychology. Visualize success. If you are, आपके बच्चे नहीं पढ़ पा रहे, कुछ भी, talk positive with them. That yes, see, this will happen. See yourself doing this. You are doing this. You are mastering it. Motivate them. They will be so happy. They'll be encouraged. Put yourself in their place. Suppose you're not able to do something. If somebody comes and pats at your back, how will you feel? Come on, you can do it. You are so good at it. Last time you said this, and this time you are much better. You feel so relieved. Somebody is watching my success. Whereas if somebody comes and criticizes you, what are you doing? You're not able to do. How many times do you need more? So you will definitely feel demotivated. So please motivate your surroundings, motivate your coming generations and others who are with you. Timing in mind, as I told you, timer has to be set. Divide the content into, as you all are veterans actually, but this is I will cover this introduction, main body, and summary, as we all know. Add some stories or incidents. This is very interesting, as we all see in TED Talks and all. During they add their own personal life incidents and some stories to make it more interesting. Voice modulation. Like when I say voice modulation, I am giving stress on voice. So this is what we have to know while speaking in public. This should not be a flat pitch. We should be stressing on a particular word, stressing. We should take a pause and then articulation. sh, s, z, j, ये आपकी जबान कितनी साफ है, आपका articulation कितना है. अगर आप जिंदगी नहीं बोल पाते, जीवन बोलिए. Substitute that z word with j because you are not your this manufacturing defect है हमारा कुछ, अगर z नहीं निकलता तो हम उसको बोले ही ना, so that हम j पे आ जाए, word ही change हो जाए. Type of audience क्या है, as I told in the beginning. Okay, connect with audience. Sorry, communication kya hai? Communication skills are connection. You are establishing the connection. This we have to know. You have to connect and go down to the audience to make them involved. Take a pause. For example, I said take a pause. Whether people noticed or not, I took a pause of 2 seconds. That is enough for me to register my words. Sound travels in a wave. Here we are online audience. We have online audience. But again, when you are taking a pause, you are giving your audience, sorry, you are giving your audience to some time to register what is being said. Otherwise, continuously, if I keep on speaking, आपके दिमाग से ऊपर से जाएगा. There will be no time for registering what am I speaking. Give that much of pause. Let the audience get absorbed and pause, and then again come back to you. Body language, very important. Body language, while you're going for interview, but like I train people for these SSBs and all in the PD classes, for the one who are joining Forge and everything, and otherwise also in other civil services, जो भी है. तो body language, अगर मैं ऐसे बैठी हूँ ऐसे, sir, I'm very confident. Am I looking confident? No, my shoulders should be dropping. My spine should be erect. मैं चेहरा सीधा हो. Yes, sir, I am confident. That is my confidence about me. मुझे मेरा body language से दिखना चाहिए. I am contented. I have prepared well. I am ready to face you. Ask me, shoot. So that should be the attitude. उनको आपको मजा आएगा देखने में कि हाँ भाई अब इसके साथ हम लोग next half an hour या 20 मिनट इस candidates के साथ we will have interview. So this gives a positive picture of yours and carry a smile during that time. So this is new you from here to here. Earlier the picture shows so apprehensive, डरी हुई and all. Now she is so happy, contented, and everything is under her control. So this is the journey of yours with a lot of, as I discussed, with your experience. You should not be, if you're a newcomer, if you, some of you, like I discussed about a YouTube video, I request you see my first video, which was in last April, last year I started, how horribly I am speaking, though some kuch views ho gaye theek thaak uske, I don't know, but I was not connecting at all because I am not used to online things. मैं कैमरे में देख के बोलूं कुछ मुझे नहीं आता, किसको कौन देख रहा है, देख कौन रहा है कुछ पता नहीं चलता. You're looking at the laptop and speaking. So this is how I was thinking. I hope people hear and out. So I was very stiff and all first video mein, but definitely with time I have opened up. I'm used to this setup. I can connect to the people in online, which I have naturally learned with almost a year's experience now in online. Okay. Yes, and friends, I request you to visit this my YouTube channel. Train Your Brain with Captain Purva Pani is my YouTube channel's name. I think thoda bada hai, par aap dhoond lijiyega. And I run personal development classes. This is my contact information. So this is all about me. In my YouTube channel, I have been, it's around, I think 78 or 80 videos so far. So I've been touching upon anxiety, the relationships during COVID, during the stress, the personality, what all kind of people we have, what is a adolescence, how we have to have good parenting, good parents or bad parenting, how the habits affect children. A lot of videos related to everything, all psychological issues are there. You will see. I request you all to please visit and of course subscribe. Thank you so much. And then any questions, please.
Thank you very much.
Anybody?
It was a wonderful session with a lot of nuggets, and I'm sure that community will be benefited with this. I especially loved things which you said, especially the anxiety is the fear of unknown. And what you say gets echoed in your mind. Avoid using negative words. Like you said that instead of procrastinate, you can use the word prioritize. Instead of saying the children to play not to play inside, you can say play outside. So these are good words. And yes, we all should definitely apply it in the life. And with this, I'll request the members in case if they have anything to ask or they want to say something. Nazreen, do you have anything to ask?
No, sir.
Hope you enjoyed the session.
Yeah, it's really very amazing session and very great.
Great.
And also thank you, ma'am, for this session. It's really very amazing.
Thank you so much, Nazreen. Thank you, so nice of you. Thankful to all of you to sit in the evening and tolerate the speech. So, I know.
These are
So
just your humble words.
thank you to the platform. Thank you for the platform also, Deepak ji and everybody. It was nice getting
Anybody
assisted.
else?
These are new. Haji.
Anybody else who would like to say something or have anything to ask?
It
Yes.
was a wonderful.
Okay, please go ahead, doctor.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. You can please continue.
No problem.
Okay, thank you, doctor. When Captain told about OTA, Officers Training Academy, I studied in IDPL school, which is very close to OTA, and my aunt, she worked in Officers Training Academy. So I got an
Oh.
opportunity to get into the canteen to go along with their
Canteen.
yes.
Canteen is the most sought after place, actually.
Yes, you are right. And it was very well resonated when you told about OTA. And you are connecting with me very well about Paratha of Tamil Nadu, the Kerala
Exactly.
Paratha.
How can we have loved Southern? We have been to Madurai and Kanyakumari and so many places we visited.
Okay,
I mean,
and your session was more like a NLP session, neuro-linguistic programming,
Actually,
about visualizing, keeping things and attracting. And while during this session, I thought to get your number, and immediately you showed the slide of your number. Then
good.
oh my God, I thought, okay, my visualization.
Telepathy.
Yes, it's connecting very good, and
Connecting.
thank you very much to get in touch with you after
Thank you, sir.
offline to learn many interesting things. And before that, let me also watch the video of your videos
Sure.
YouTube channel, and definitely I will subscribe, and I'll also
So
share
nice.
with the students. Let them also see this and subscribe it, because something
Thank you
good
so
is going
much.
to be there definitely. And I'm
Definitely.
going to
I'll be
watch
there.
and share it to as many people as possible.
Thank you so much, Suresh. So nice of you. God bless you, Suresh, because
Thank
my
you.
aim is to, yes, thank you, Suresh. My dear, my aim is to connect to the mass. In fact, because those who are not able to come to me, I would like to share my experience with them. Anxiety is okay. It's okay to get anxious, but at least settle down. Sit down for 5 minutes. Take stock of your situation. Why did I react? I could respond. मैं शायद हड़बड़ी में रहती हूँ हमेशा. मैं हड़बड़ी में क्यों रहती हूँ? क्या मेरे पास टाइम कम है? I'm a career woman. तो मैं career woman ठीक है. Am I able to manage and take care, help everybody in their feelings? मैं क्या अपने फैमिली को, अपने पेरेंट्स को, किसी को भी, जो भी आपका स्टेटस है, मैरिड अनमैरिड, जो भी आप लोग हो, मेल फीमेल जैसे भी, तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग है? एम आई पुशिंग माई सेल्फ? वी हैव ओनली वन लाइफ, so let's make life good. Let's prioritize. एक प्लानर बनाइए, वो कभी टाइम मैनेजमेंट पे डिस्कस होगा. एक प्लानर, सेमेस्टर प्लानर बनाइए, वीकली प्लानर बनाइए कि भाई इस वीक में आई एम यूटिलाइजिंग दीज मेनी आवर्स फॉर दिस. तो जो बोलते हैं ईट द अगली फ्रॉग फर्स्ट, सबसे बेकार काम, बोरिंग काम दिन के पहले कर लो. फॉर द होल डे यू आर रिलैक्स्ड. आप कितना फ्री फील करोगे, बर्डन खत्म. इतना खुश होके घर में गाना गा के गाते हुए घूमोगे. कोई तमिल में गा रहा है, कोई पंजाबी में गा रहा है, यू विल बी सो हैप्पी. लोग बोलेंगे इसको क्या हो गया, तब ठीक है. People will say, oh, he is so happy or she is so happy. आज U-turn कैसे? बोला, yes, now I know how to manage and I will be like this.
Good.
This is the
and
confidence.
you were also talking about self-love. You asked us to rate for the self-love.
Yes.
So Kuljit and myself, we rated a 10 out of 10. So
Oh,
please
good.
tell.
That is very good. Okay, Kuljit. Acha, okay, Kuljit Marwa ji. I have not seen him so far. I am seeing his picture only so far. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Kuljit ji,
please.
Okay.
क्या मुझे एक शिकायत है
हाँ जी.
कैप्टन पूर्वा से.
अच्छा.
या इन्होंने सेशन बहुत जल्दी खत्म कर दी.
जल्दी मुझे अपनी फैमिली पे देखनी है. रात के 9 बजने वाले हैं.
Anyway, that's quite
कुलजीत जी, मुझे अपनी काउंसलिंग करानी पड़ेगी इधर बैठ के, किसी काउंसलर के पास जाके।
Yeah.
कुलजीत जी मैम, मैं यहाँ पे बोलना चाहूंगा बीच में। कुलजीत जी, इसके लिए ना आप मुझे दोषी मान सकते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने मैडम को बोला था 45 मिनट्स हैं आपके पास में, सेशन का ड्यूरेशन मेरे
दीपक
हाथ
जी
में
वैसे
था।
दीपक जी वैसे रिवॉल्वर का जो पॉइंट है वो अभी की तरफ है।
बिल्कुल सर, मैं हाजिर हूँ आपके
But
सामने।
thank you so much. It
Thank
was
you.
a very wonderful and crispy session. अच्छा लगा।
Thank you so much.
दीपक
And
जी,
it
thank you
was
so much.
and it was more interacting session because you stopped you kept the slides aside, you created a very good bonding with us, and then
You know
you
what,
started
Suresh? Suresh, sorry to cut you. I am not a slide person actually. I am more of a talking person. That day author श्री से जब बात हो रही थी, he said, मैम एक्चुअली जिनको बोलने का शौक है ना, हमने उनको यहाँ पे रखा है। मैंने कहा दैट्स, बोलते हैं यस मैम, इसलिए आपको रखा है, क्योंकि
yes,
जब पब्लिक स्पीकिंग
I agree with you. You told it's not public speaking, it's public explaining.
Yes.
You explained more about it.
Yes, I am in a habit of explaining, and घर पे जब naturally Suresh, when nobody listens to you at home, they are actually fed up of this, listening to my counseling and all that. So I'm happy speaking like this actually. So this is what it on a lighter side, but definitely it was a very nice experience to me, and I really am thankful to the PSI and Deepak ji and author Sherry and all of you, in fact, who spared the evening for me and listened and tolerated. There's so much to discuss actually about psychology. Psychology is basically, if you start observing more and speak less, that's why the counselors speak less and they listen more to the clients. This is what I do. This is my job definitely. So this is, you will learn more about their behaviors. You can make out why that person is saying this, why that person is going through, which is very interesting. The more complicated the case, the more the happier I am. वो सेम रूटीन टाइप के केस देखे, वही ठीक है। Initial years of my job, I did my in the schools only. That's how St. Joseph Kunur, way back 12 years, almost 11, 12 years back. But yes, for past 3 to 4 years, I'm working as an entrepreneur, freelancer. मैं अभी और स्कूल है उसमें ज्यादा नहीं, because same type of cases I will not grow. So this is what like we have to, all of us should grow, but after taking some experience under somebody. हम day 1 से उड़ना नहीं शुरू कर सकते। चिड़िया भी बच्चों को सिखाती है, ट्रेन करती है, तब बोलती है घोंसला छोड़ो। We all youngsters हैं यहाँ पे, जैसे नाजरीन and everybody, please work under somebody, gain experience, though it is boring. जो तुम्हें मन करेगा अपने गाइड का खून कर दो, जो भी, I don't know what are you into, नाजरीन, but still you will gain experience and then you start working independently. This is what I did after leaving army, after hanging my boots. It is my second inning in life. Okay, so thank you so much, Deepak ji. Thank you everybody.
Yeah, just a sec. So dear all, we have the poll coming up. Need to rate how engaging was the session according to you. आपको कैसा लगा? 1 lowest ranking है और 5 highest है, तो आप अपने हिसाब से दे सकते हैं, and let's see where we stand. Gurpreet ji, you had a question?
No, not a question, but I was just complimenting her for a wonderful session. That's it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey. मैडम, आई डू एग्री विद यू कि जो लोग कम बोलते हैं वो ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल होते हैं। मुझे पता है, क्योंकि मेरी वाइफ जो है, she listens a lot and speaks less. आप
Exactly.
कहीं गए, कहीं अटक गए, तो वो आपसे ज्यादा सवाल नहीं पूछती, कहाँ थे, क्या हुआ। छोटे छोटे शब्दों में बहुत बड़ी बातें निकल जाती, सब कुछ आदमी बोल देता है।
अब यही सुनना बाकी था।
ये पोलिंग का रिजल्ट आई विल फिल अप फॉर एवरीबॉडी। ओके, थैंक यू सुरेश।
मैम, सबको मजा आया? सब लोग ओवरवेल्म्ड हैं आपके सेशन से?
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, 83. Still there is some 17 somewhere at 4. I should improve more.
Yeah. Not everybody.
Yes, there is always a scope of improvement.
Yes.
So everybody has a chance to go to the next level.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Yes,
So
definitely.
as we are coming to
Thank
end
you
the
so
end of the session, I would like to say, anybody would like to share their own experience of public speaking in our session, public speaking का तड़का? कोई है जो अपना हाथ उठाए और बताए कि public
Yes,
speaking में
but
उन्होंने
before
क्या
that,
किया?
we can finish the felicitation for Captain Purva,
Only
ma'am.
one
Yeah, definitely.
super Suresh sir.
We'll be doing it. Yeah, Nadeem ji.
Only one सुरेश जी. आज सुरेश जी तड़का लगाएंगे.
सुरेश जी तड़का लगाएंगे, ठीक है. सुरेश जी आपके कंधे पे बंदूक रख दी है.
Yes, very important in public speaking, your audience. Eye-to-eye connection is very, very important. Now the one dot camera is which is in front of you is your audience. So you need to look at there and believe that many eyes are watching you clearly and taking valuable notes from your speech. Today, as I was listening to Captain Purva, I've taken many interesting, valuable things. And public speaking is not public explaining is very important when you want to deep level penetrate in your audience. So connecting with your audience is very, very important in public speaking. It's not about just going and giving a presentation or running different slides on the screen. It's not that. Interaction is very, very important. Connecting, creating a connection, eye to eye, art to art. Let your heart speak, and there is definitely a heart to listen to you. And that is what the magic is really going to happen in public speaking.
Very well said, super bro. And now I would request you to join me to felicitate Madam.
हाँ जी, yes.
Yeah, bro, you would like to do the honors?
Yes, and thank you very much, Captain Madam, for being
Thank you,
here
thank
and
you.
sharing all your very great experience to people that and how to think and change usage of words. Instead of thinking about a word which is not going to support you, rather you can think about the words which can put some energy into you and bounce back
Yes.
and get into track and achieve the greatness in your life.
Very,
That's a
very
great takeaway we have taken from you, and it's a kind honor from PSI Global Community.
Thank
for
you.
you.
Thank you so much. So nice. Thank you so much. I will cherish this day. It's a very,
Congrats.
very.
Ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And
this
God
is-
bless you all. Yes, Deepak ji.
Well, this is a token of appreciation from our end as of now. But yes, no sooner we'll be having a more energetic session with you. We'll be calling you for
Sure,
some,
sure,
other
sure.
session, some other day. And
Sure.
we definitely want everyone to be blessed with your words.
Exactly, definitely. And this is what COVID has done to me, from short hair to long hair now.
Oh,
I
great.
cannot
yes.
visit the parlors also.
Yes, and your second inning, you look more amazing than your first innings.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Thank you. Then now I'm going to hit 50 years next year. I'm going to be 49.
Oh, great.
So like Bal Safed, there's exactly old people now. We are
No,
old
age
people.
is just a number for you, right?
That
Because
is-
you are more energetic from your thought
Yes,
process.
that is, I agree. Because we should feel that there's so much we can, there's something called giver and receiver. If you reach a giver stage, na, Suresh and everybody, you will be more confident. और वो small things नहीं, पिटली issues नहीं trouble करेगा. You will be like जो घर के बड़े होते हैं ना, they don't get bothered कि इसने क्या नहीं किया. They are, उनका status already इतना high हो जाता है. We need to be mentally there. We go down to our children's level and all these level and ये क्यों वो क्यों करके दिमाग हमारा खराब हो जाता है. So that we will discuss some other time. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Like God
So-
bless you all.
Thank you so
Namaskar,
much everyone
Deepak
for
ji, thank
joining
you.
in
Yes,
and
thank
listening
you.
to us. And
I do
do stay
believe
connected. And in the
Yes, thank you.
meantime, as I always say, please maintain physical distancing and be socially very active. Everyone is your own.
Yes.
Have a blessed weekend and enjoy life till we meet again next Thursday on another amazing session. Thank you very much for joining in once again.
thanks,
Signing
Deepak
off,
ji.
Srivastava.
Namaskar, good evening.
Thank you,
Jai
sir.
Hind.